Hi, I'm Kevin, and this is Unit 1, Space Needs a Scope, an introduction to the course. Here's a thought. Space only acquires meaning when we give it an appropriate description and analyze the relationships between processes and actors in the real world. But this is all very complex, so how can we simplify this to give it any meaning for us? Let's take a look at this image behind me for an example. This is an image taken by Landsat 8, a satellite, over South Korea. In the image, we recognize certain structures of both geometric and natural appearing features. But how do they relate to each other? And is that important? There's this important sentence that was said by Waldo Tobler in the 1970s. Everything is related to everything, but near things are more related than distant things. And this is one of the approaches that was important for a long time in geographical thinking. In fact, when you look on the internet and search on Google, you'll get many 100,000 hits for different takes on this idea, that close things are more related than further away things. But even though this sounds really good, here's the question: is it true? Here we have another image, and this is a classic example from any geography book. This is a comic from XKCD that says, if I could live anywhere, I would choose the example map from the geography books that explains what everything is called. And as we can see, everything is very close together, but is that all related necessarily? What we need to do instead is we need time and target and scale dependent definitions of space, and time matters as well. We also need an idea of distance and neighborhood, as well as how they influence one another. And coming back to the comic behind me, we have all of these maps that we need to also work with digitally. These are a lot of tasks that we want to tackle in the first unit, so let's get started.